मी प्राध्यापक उदय धर्मराज भोईर, छत्रपती संभाजीनगर. आज ताज आर्ट गॅलरीमध्ये हा जो ग्रुप शो आहे त्यामध्ये माझे 2 पेंटिंग्स इथे लावलेले आहेत आणि दोन्ही पेंटिंगच्या बाबतीमध्ये जर बोलायचं झालं तर मी इंडियन मॅथॉलॉजीवर काम करतो आणि आत्ताचं जे काही पेंटिंग्स आहेत ती महाकुंभ जे झालं आहे आपल्याकडे त्यावर मी ती पेंटिंग्स केली. कारण महाकुंभाबद्दल बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी आपल्याकडे पौराणिक कथेमध्ये पण आहे आणि आत्ताच्या मॉडर्न आर्टमध्ये मला तो विषय मांडावासा वाटला. कारण की भारतीय संस्कृती जगप्रसिद्ध जरी असली आणि त्याचं लोकांना खूप त्याचा गोडवा पण आहे आणि त्याचा काय म्हणता येईल त्याला त्याची खेच पण इथे खेचून आणते. तर मग त्याबद्दल मी पेंटिंग का करू नये म्हणून मी ते पेंटिंगमध्ये उतरवण्याचा प्रयत्न केला आहे. त्यामुळे भारतीय संस्कृती आपल्या संस्कृतीमधनं किंवा आपल्या विषयातनं आणि किती भारतभर किंवा देशभर पसरलेली आहे याच्यामध्ये जे काही काम केले किंवा रंगसंगती वापरलेली आहे ती त्याला धरूनच केलेली आहे. तुम्हाला याच्याकडे बघत असताना असं जाणवेल की आम्ही कुठेतरी अशा देशामध्ये आलेलो आहे की ज्या ठिकाणी याची बांधणे अनेक वर्षापासून आहे. आमची संस्कृती ही देशामध्ये किंवा विदेशामध्ये जे लोकांना त्याचा अप्रूत आहे ते अप्रूत ह्यामध्ये दाखवण्याचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. आणि जास्तीत जास्त आमचा हिंदू धर्माचा किंवा आमच्या धर्म म्हणून नाही पण अभ्यास म्हणून लोकांनी याच्याकडे बघावं आणि बघत आलेले आहे. कारण शेवटी माझे पेंटिंगचे विषय असे होते की डीप सायलेन्स जगातली प्रत्येक धर्मामध्ये शांतता हा मॅसेज दिलेला जातो. आजच्या काळाशी तो गरज पण आहे आणि माणूस ते नेहमी शोधत असतो. हे कुंभसारख्या ज्या गोष्टी आहेत या पण त्यातनंच आहे. कारण कुठेतरी आम्हाला समाधान मिळावं याच्यामध्ये अनेक साधू संत वेगवेगळे प्रयोग करत असतात, त्याच्या साधना करत असतात. कलाकार पण आपली स्वतःची साधना यामध्ये मांडत असतो. मी माझ्या कलेच्या माध्यमातनं महाकुंभाला मी माझं प्रेझेंटेशन दिलेलं आहे. हे जगासमोर मी हा आपल्या देशाचा ठेवा हा मांडण्याचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे ह्या कलेच्या माध्यमातून. आणि आत्ता मिळालेली ही संधी ही माझ्यासाठी खूप मोठी होती. माझ्यासारख्या अनेक कलाकारांना ही संधी मिळाली. ताजमध्ये बऱ्याच वर्षामध्ये शो झाले नाहीत, ती आता रिसेंटली होत आहेत आणि ती खूप चांगली आहेत. इंटरनॅशनल लेवलला याची दखल घेतली जाते. त्याबद्दल मी ऑर्गनायझेशनचे खूप खूप आभार मानतो. थँक्यू.
Hi, good evening. I am Dr. Manoj Singrakhya, a spine surgeon turned painter. It's a journey which is there for the last 5 years. I was spine surgeon for 20 years. However, in the last 5 years, I am doing painting. My painting journey has been initially more of a calendar or photograph painter. However, it has evolved into more of a conceptual art. Now suddenly I could understand the connect between the surgeries that I did, the patients, the relation that I created with them and me as a surgeon. So I have, this is my painting, so I try to explore a area between expressionism and impressionism. So here like the title of this particular painting is Living in a Box. So a lot of professionals like corporates, policemen, army men or even the cricketers, they live in a box. Like they transfer from one city to other. So they being the father of a family, we don't realize the sacrifices what a father does for the family. They also don't like to stay outside, but they have to bring back the bread to the family, so they travel from one place to other. So similarly I am making a painting series of around 35-40 paintings which is called Unseen ya Undekhi. Like this is a journey of individuals which we tend to ignore. Like we don't see the waiter who is there in the hotel, or we don't see a mason creating buildings. We don't see a cobbler or a barber on the streets. You know, we tend to ignore them. But these are people who are the spine of our society. Without them, the society is nothing. So I'm trying to bring a series where the faces are not included. It's only the other parts of the body. You know, in this case, the legs, the hand, they tell a story. So they have been expressive. So this is part of the series that I'm working right now as Unseen. Thank you very much. And I was made aware of this particular event by Kala Samvad through an advertisement in Chinna magazine. which is a group of JJItes, JJ School of Art students who run this, and I was glad to submit my work and be part of this beautiful gathering. Thank you.
Hello, I am Dr. Ketan Naik. I am a sculptor. I would like to thank Kala Samvad for giving me opportunity to participate in this exhibition. I like to create idols mostly inspired from ancient Indian temples or the ones which are currently located in some of the museums around the world, and this is my way to bring back the lost and forgotten heritage of India back to our homes. Thank you.
Dipayan Ghosh. I am based in Mumbai, and this is my first time with Kala Samvad. I've heard a lot about them, but this is my first time I've got a chance to exhibit along with them. I am primarily an abstract expressionist artist. I try to merge mixed media with cubism and expressionism. This artwork is a part of my endurance series. So what I'm trying to represent here is amidst a lot of destruction that is brought about by terror and war and the broken parts of the society, the heart of the humanity still endures all the pain and still continues with life. So it's like a beating heart, and it sort of survives in its endurance even in destruction. Also, this is also a part of a confluence between mathematics and art that I'm doing, various mathematical series like Fibonacci, Golden Ratio, like fractals. I am merging them to create my artwork. This is on fractals. So all the veins of the art out here is arranged in a fractal structure.
Hi, my name is Susan. I'm an artist from Bangalore. I have been painting full-time for the last 2 years now. These two are my paintings over here. So they're a part of a series I'm working on called Entropy. The main theme for these paintings is the impermanence of life. I have used a lot of botanical-based motifs in that. Butterflies, moths, florals. So they all have a very short lifespan. So it's mostly to make you appreciate what you have in the moment rather than think about the long run or the future. It's mostly to appreciate what you have in the moment, and that's the basic theme of this entire series that I'm working on. I came to know about this exhibition from a friend who referred Mr. Nandkishore to me, and I got in touch with him, and that's how we've been doing it. And it's been a great experience, and looking forward to good things ahead. Thank you.
I am Debalina Shah, and I am basically from Mumbai, and here this is my art form that I have painted Ardhanareshwar, and this is Kerala mural art form. Here the orange section, it is depicting Lord Shiva, and the green part is Parvati. This is showing the equality between Lord Shiva and Parvati, the power, the energy between both the forms, and the intricate works here. The speciality of the mural painting is the intricate works and the backgrounds that help us to bring the figure to more justice. So I usually do divine series. I love painting, and this is a acrylic based painting. So I work on oil as well as acrylic paintings. Yeah, this is my first time I'm exhibiting here in Taj, and it's a very great experience, and till now it's going very good. And yeah, thank you.
Hi, I am Aarti Raj. I am from Thane. I was contacted by Rajkumar ji and Nandu ji from Kala Samvad, and I am very thankful for that they are giving this opportunity to showcase our artwork over here. So this is my artwork. I am basically an abstract artist, and I do concept-based artwork. So the theme, the title of this painting is Pehchan, identity. So most of my paintings are women-centric, wherein a woman, they want to recognize their identity. They are looking for their own identity. So they always struggle between their oneself and the societal pressure. So it's the broken lines which you can see in both the paintings. These are our inner struggle, which we always feel that we have to struggle between our own expectation and the society expectation. So that is the theme of the painting. Thanks again to Kala Samvad for giving us the opportunity. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Neha Chaplot. I am from Rajasthan, Udaipur. I am a self-taught artist. After my birth of my kid, I started painting, and he is the strength of my life, and whatever I am doing today, it's because of him. And today I have exhibited my 2 paintings in under the roof of Kala Samvad, and I got in contact with Rajkumar sir and Nandu sir. They have given me this opportunity. I'm really grateful and thankful to both of them. And today I'm displaying 2 arts. The one is Serenity, Finding Serenity. So here I have shown the colors of golden hues and the color of yellow when there is a sunset, and you will get like dawn colors, and you get yellow colors and hues of golden colors, which I have bring into notice. And that I am belong from Udaipur, Rajasthan, so I have created lilies, water lilies, which are the base of Udaipur. And here also one of my painting called Golden Hues. It's a kind of like colors of dawn, colors where you will get peace, where you get heart of your this shows the soul of my heart, and everything which I have created is coming from my own vibes. And I'm really thankful that I have come here and I exhibit my 2 paintings in Hotel Taj, Mumbai. And thank you so much.
I'm Minna Kaushik. I'm an artist based from Bombay. I work in acrylic. My style, as you can see, is acrylic but in a watercolor form. And this one, as you can see, this is Whispering Flowers Delicacy. So as you can see, the delicate flowers in a glass vase. This is again mixed media, both are mixed media. This is Bougainvillea Dreams. It's based on my childhood memories of my home growing up. As you can see, the old wall, the texture, and the Bougainvillea flowers. I got connected to Mr. Nand Kishore, and this is my first time with the event that they hold here in Taj. I've had a beautiful experience. They've done a great job, taken care of all the requirements that was there. Thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Nirmal Thakur from Delhi. I have come for today's exhibition from Delhi. This is one-day exhibition in Taj, and first time exhibiting my work with Nandu sir. And I got contacted with him through some Instagram page, I think, or somebody sent me the page. And I do my work based on my emotions. Whatever I capture from my eyes, whether it is about the woman, about flower, about nature, whatever. So this time I have painted my paintings. I got inspiration from Gujarat. This is about Kutch ladies. They always wear black dress, upper and lower, and wear very beautiful, colorful blouse, which attracted me very much. And I abstracted their form in my paintings. I felt very happy. And I'm very happy that I'm in Taj and exhibiting my paintings here. And thanks to Nandu sir.
Hi, I'm Deepika Shah. This is my art, and my concept is called Zensations. So basically I do paint landscape and seascapes and florals also, and I find zen in nature. Whenever I am in the nature, I feel calm, and I try to bring that calmness in my paintings.
हेलो एवरीवन, ये मेरे 2 पेंटिंग्स है, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट पेंटिंग है और इसका सब्जेक्ट है यूनिवर्सल लाइंस। और मैंने ये ज्योमेट्रिक शेप्स में बनाया हुआ है पूरा, कि कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट जो रहता है यूनिवर्स में वो सारा ट्रायंगल शेप का रहता है, कुछ रेक्टेंगल शेप का रहता है, तो मैंने वो यूज़ किया है। और यहाँ पे थोड़े से ग्लिटर्स यूज़ किए और टेक्सचर्स यूज़ किया है। और कला संवाद ने बहुत बड़ा हमको प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है आर्टिस्ट को, और इसकी वजह से आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू कला संवाद। थैंक यू।
Hello, my name is Sohan Kumar Chaudhary and I have done applied art from JJ, and I'm doing painting in different mediums like oil, watercolor, acrylic and all, and I'm really happy to be part of this exhibition. This painting is done in oil painting and I like less colors in my painting, so I choose mostly black and white, or I put little bit color in that, but I don't like too much color. So you can see this painting I have done just black and white. And then I know Rajkumar sir and Kishore sir, Nandi Kishore sir from very long time, and I'm very happy that I'm in their exhibition. I'm part of it, and I stay in Mumbai, and I take art classes, and then I'm an artist also. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Sanjana Ramchandani. I am an acrylic artist. I usually work with portraits and landscapes and abstracts. So right now here I have painted Buddha, which is more to do with peace. Colors and peace for me go hand in hand, and Buddha has always shown some kind of peace and spirituality. So that has been my favorite subject always, along with some abstract. Here you can see more of nature again. And I have been with Mr. Nandu for, this is my first exhibition with him. I got to know through my other friends, and it's been a very good experience with him. I think I would definitely want to do more work with him. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Kavita Tambulkar. I've come from all the way from Pune, and I'm a freelance artist. And I work on human relationships, and my paintings show the different facets of womanhood. I love vibrant colors, and I try to blend my subjects into color coordinated surroundings, and they are my innermost feelings. So if in my paintings you either see a loving wife, or the sister's love, or the mother carrying her child, and these are the emotions which bring my paintings to life. And I'm exhibiting in Taj for the first time. I came in contact with Nanda Kishore through, I had met him in the India Art Festival, so he contacted me for this exhibition, and it was a great experience here, and they are really taken care of everything, and it was really a great experience too. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sujendra. I'm honored to present my work in coordination with Kala Samved in the Taj Palace, the first time exhibiting with Taj. So it's a great honor to be here. So I am basically from Bangalore, shifted to Mumbai, presenting in Mumbai from the past 4 years. So my works are basically out of waste, wherein I intend to spread awareness by recycling waste materials, so that it gives you an awareness wherein you try to reduce the waste usage, try to repurpose the use of waste, try to more meticulously use or repurpose or control the usage of waste, control the spread of waste. Wherein if you see my artwork, the delicacies, the details which you see in this, wherein you have the detailed cuts, the precision, the paints and everything, wherein this is completely made out of used pen refills. So pen refills sourced from schools and colleges have been recycled, sterilized, and then reused, repurposed, painted, so that it gives you an intricate, detailed piece. So that is the first piece, which is honoring Mahatma Gandhi. And then if you move on to the second piece, wherein it's a character from the Star Wars movie called Stormtrooper, wherein it's made out of expired medical capsules, which are generally sourced directly from the manufacturer, wherein these capsules have a lifespan of 1 to 5 years. So I usually source the capsules wherein my capsule manufacturer has the materials that are expired, which are dead stock, which have no use for them, which they generally send it out to be feeds for chickens or anything, wherein it's their daily food. It becomes manure in the later future. So trying to reuse that in the form of art, wherein it stays for long. And if you see, this is completely vacuum sealed. So if the seal is broken once, then within 6 to 8 months, your artwork will start to decay. So that's the difference. Thank you.
हेलो, मेरा नाम रितु जायसवाल है. मैं एक आर्टिस्ट हूँ. मैं मुंबई से हूँ और ये मेरा आर्ट है. ये लेडी एक एक्रेलिक पेंटिंग का है और ये दर्शाती है कि ये कितना स्ट्रेंथ है इनमें, क्या हैप्पीनेस से इनके हेयर जो फ्लेयर हो रहे हैं और अपवर्ड जा रहे हैं, और जो फ्लो है इनका बॉडी का फ्लो, हेयर का फ्लो, वो इनका हैप्पीनेस दिखाता है, स्ट्रेंथ दिखाता है. वो मैंने इस पेंटिंग में दर्शाया हुआ है. थैंक यू.
Namaskar, namaste, hello, I am Arya Ambadekar. This is my painting, the first from the series called Mahakumbh. This painting is called Agni Varna, radiant like fire. So the particular portrait is of a Baba who I saw sitting at the Mahakumbh when I visited in Feb 2025. The medium for this painting is mixed media. Majorly I have used pencil colors and acrylic colors for the painting. So for me this is a really special piece because I'm exhibiting for the first time in Taj. And it has always been a dream. I visit Taj every month to see the art previews, and presenting my artwork here feels like a dream. So yeah, I'm gonna create like 99 more pieces for this series Mahakumbh, and that's it. Bye.
Hello artist, myself Anshu Vishwakarma. So I am representing two type of art forms, that is a charcoal and graphite and a mixed media. So my first artwork name is Dvimukh. As we know, द्विमुख का मतलब होता है कि दो चेहरे वाले. So हम अगर गणपति जी के पहले वाले पास्ट को देखेंगे तो उसमें दो चेहरे थे, like a negative side and a positive side. So I wanted to reflect a positive side of Ganesh ji with a tinge of like Shiv ji, like इनका मल्हार रूप and उनका चंद्रमा. And the second painting named Sakhi. Sakhi means, as you know, Sakhi means a friend. So इसमें मैंने बताया लाइक इनके रुक्मिणी जी इनकी वाइफ थी, बट जब उन्हें रियलाइज़ हुआ कि फ्रेंडशिप का इंपॉर्टेंस क्या होता है, सो देन दे स्टार्टेड कि ओके फ्रेंडशिप को हम प्रायोरिटी देते एंड देन हम लवर्स एंड ऑल देन विल कंटिन्यू. सो इन दैट आई हैव रिफ्लेक्टेड रुक्मिणी जी का उनका सिंदूर एंड देन अ कनेक्शन बिटवीन फ्लूट एंड कृष्णा ताकि वो फ्लोनेस दिखे. And basically I am Anshu, so I'm Mumbai based artist, and this is my first exhibition, and in Taj I'm representing myself as a upcoming growth artist, a refresher. So please do support, and please thank you for Nandu sir who gave me this opportunity to represent my artwork. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Samida Lad and I'm a resident of Mumbai. I'm an architect by passion and an artist by soul. My journey began with painting in the search for myself, where I felt a need to express the formless into forms and reveal the truths, through my painting where my words could not. And that's how I've been practicing abstract expressions. To me, it's not about art, it's about various layers that we create. It's a delicate balance between what is seen, what is not seen, and what is felt, and the vulnerability that it evokes. So to me, it's not just about colors and textures. It talks about the deep layers of a humanity or the human nature that I try to express through. This work is known as Facades We Build. If you look at the work, you may also see it like an harbor, or you will also see like a facade. The concept behind it is that as a society, there's always a narrative to be in a certain way. There is a facade build that we need to follow as a society norms, but is that who we really are? So there's a quest for constant search, to who you are or what you are in a true sense. So even though I feel like I'm building facades, I'm in a way delayering myself and understanding myself much deeper, and yet I'm trying to find my way through it. Or one the viewer might find a way. And if you see the curvature, the golden lines that we see across, that is where the hope lives. That is where you find yourself. So it's a constant journey of evolving. The second painting is called Sacred Memories. When we look at a person, there are different memories of a person. Some of them are good, some of them are bad. It's some of everything. everything is not goody-goody, and it's a combination of all those things. If you see here, you will see a lot of different marks that I have used. There's a lot of texture. There's every emotion that has been set, from a darkness to the lighterness, right? From a dark to bright, and in between this beautiful red box that holds everything together at its center. Memories that make you happy, memories that make you bleed, but overall it's a concept of humanity. And that's what art is to me. It's my refuge. It's a place where I can express myself, where I don't need to find any words. It's a solitude for me in which I create another reality also. So that's what art means to me, and as an abstract expressionist. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Urvi Shah. I'm here through Nanduji, and it is a beautifully curated exhibition. I'm a self-taught artist, and my art is a little spiritually based, where I try to, it takes me inwards, my art. And today I have exhibited 2 figures which are dancing. They are in confluence, they are in thought, they are together, they are apart, and you can interpret it in any way you like. Thank you.
Hi, जय जगन्नाथ। मैं ओडिशा से हूँ, दीपक विश्वाल, आजे आर्टिस्ट। ये जो मेरा पेंटिंग है ये स्मोक से मैं बनाया हूँ। इसमें ये पहली बार आपको ये जो पेंटिंग है, फर्स्ट वाला पेंटिंग, इसमें ट्रक का जो धुआं होता है उसी धुआं से पेंटिंग में बनाया हूँ, जहाँ पे कि जो ट्रक से जो स्मोक निकलता है उसी स्मोक को इसमें प्रिजर्व करके उसके बाद इसको लाइफ टाइम प्रिजर्व किया हूँ, जैसे कि इसको टच कर सकते हैं। और सबसे चैलेंज होता है इस मीडियम का, स्मोक को टच करने से वो निकल जाता है, मगर ये चीज़ में आप इसको टच कर सकते हैं, ये लाइफ टाइम प्रिजर्व है। वैसे ये जो पेंटिंग है यहाँ पे कॉन्टेम्पररी स्टाइल में मैंने दिखाया हूँ कैसे हम जो स्मोक निकालते हैं गाड़ी से, वो स्मोक कहीं ना कहीं हमारे जो लाइफ है, जैसे हमारे लाइफ के ऊपर इम्पैक्ट छोड़ता है, नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट, वैसे हमारे पास जो एनिमल्स होता है, पेट होते हैं, उसके ऊपर भी बहुत नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट छोड़ता है। और इसमें मैं एक मदर डॉग का कैरेक्टर दिखाया हूँ, उसके पीछे एक बेबी डॉग का कैरेक्टर दिखाया हूँ, मगर इनका जो फेस है वो अलग दिखाया हूँ, एक टेम्पो का लाइट का जैसा। मैं इसलिए दिखाया हूँ क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं ये चीज़ मुझे लगता है कि हमारे अंदर जैसे हार्ट होता है, हार्ट बीट चलता है, वैसे इनके अंदर नहीं चल रहा है। मैं ऐसे इसलिए बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि जो धुआं वो ले रहे हैं आज ये सोसाइटी, हम गाड़ी से इनको दे रहे हैं, ये चीज़ इनके ऊपर बहुत नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट छोड़ रहा है। और उनका शरीर में कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है कि बॉडी के अंदर कोई चीज़ होने के बदले ये जैसे कि स्मोक और जो गाड़ी का इंजन है उसको लेके घूम रहे हैं, तो ये कहीं ना कहीं हमारे सोसाइटी, हमारा मदर ऑफ नेचर को बहुत इम्पैक्ट छोड़ रहा है, नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट। तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि आज आर्टिस्ट में इस दुनिया को एक मैसेज दूँ, जितना जो डार्क स्मोक है जो हमारे दुनिया को ख़त्म कर रहा है, पेड़ को काटना, ये सारे चीज़ के ऊपर ध्यान दे। वैसे ये जो मेरा पेंटिंग है, इस पेंटिंग में आप देख सकते हैं लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ जी को मैंने इस यहाँ पे रिप्रेजेंट किया हूँ, और इसका जो टाइटल है पद्मलोचन। महाप्रभु पद्मलोचन इसलिए हम कहते हैं क्योंकि उनका जो 2 आइज़ होता है वो वैसे ही कुछ पद्म की जैसा है, लोटस की तरह। तो यहाँ पे जो गज है, हाथी है, वो पद्म महाप्रभु को अर्पण कर रहे हैं। इस पेंटिंग में मैंने इसको दिखाया हूँ 3D एंगल से, जहाँ पे मैं 10 लेयर ऑफ ग्लास यूज़ किया हूँ, और ईच ग्लास में मैंने स्मोक को कंट्रोल करके इसको बनाया हूँ, जहाँ पे कि आज आर्टिस्ट मैंने यहाँ पे दिया जलाया हूँ जगन्नाथ जी के नीचे, और वो दिया कैसे उसका स्मोक के साथ खिल रहा है, जगन्नाथ जी के सारे चारों ओर खिल रहा है। और जो ये स्टोन का वर्क है, ये स्टोन का वर्क में आपको दिखाई देगा ये जो नर्तकी है, ये सारे कैसे 3D एंगल से आपको फील आएगा, इंटरेस्ट आएगा। ये चीज़ के ऊपर बारीकी में मैं इसको काम किया हूँ। तो आज आर्टिस्ट में हर टाइम सोचता हूँ कि मैं एक मेरा पेंटिंग में एक मैसेज दूँ दुनिया को, एक सोसाइटी के साथ जुड़ूँ, तो ये जो पेंटिंग है इसमें मैंने जो स्मोक यूज़ किया, इसमें एक्चुअली मैंने वुड यूज़ किया हूँ, जो कि आपका चंदन का काठ है उसका यूज़ किया हूँ, उसको फायर करके मैंने इसको बनाया हूँ। इसलिए बनाया हूँ, मैं आज ए स्मोक आर्टिस्ट, मैं तो स्मोक में वुड को नहीं, चंदन यूज़ नहीं कर सकता, तो मैंने सोचा इसको फायर करूं और उसी से ही लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ जी को बनाऊं। और क्योंकि जगन्नाथ जी के ऊपर चंदन का लेप होता है, कुछ उसी तरह जो जगन्नाथ जी है वो एक्चुअली नीम के काठ में बनाए गए हैं, तो मैंने वो नीम का काठ को भी फायर किया हूँ और उसी को वो यहाँ पे यूज़ किया हूँ। तो आज आर्टिस्ट में ये ट्राई किया हूँ, मेरा जो अपना एक सोच है, अपना एक रिलेशन है लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ जी से, मैं मेरा मीडियम से उनके साथ जुड़ूं, ये मेरा एक उद्देश्य था। और ये जो गैलरी है इंडिया का ताज का, इस गैलरी में यहाँ पे मैंने ये 2 पेंटिंग लेके आया हूँ। आई होप जो भी यहाँ पे विजिटर्स हैं इनको पसंद आए। थैंक यू। जय जगन्नाथ।